IGC News, Mema Obidia Akwaba, I had the latest and hot news in Guanam Day, Bravo and Winty, so we are subscriber, ya, or more than say over subscriber. The other say over 2K, I had a subscribe button. Now, what barely notification, or we had a video for Phobia or the first person I will say, can. I feel we are now, well, like if you don't give us a thumbs up, and I feel was what to say, share my offer so now when you be here, now we'll moon ya airco. I feel young call a similar about the toy so. A Kwame A+. Now one of the and December 2 that say would be Nipa when it come a year after Suale. Now no police for a tour and suffering now with their police for Kushia, what is summer to your now next 7 a year, Okachi, a full Mensah, a Totonano, a Mawada, and Sammy ready. Now what you say? And some what the body pakwa with this aboneno, what the conditions ama police for no matter say police for no one Japan. Now what you say? A year IGP Dampare or possess our meeting no IGP Dampare or Tinemubi. Only a waji Dampare dipa. Nature so or say a year group hanum a year top security professionals do or just a top security men do or say one so when it can't against our meeting no. And I feel some ministers. What did you know at the outer said? It says Akufo-Addo in our and Sana will be said in Grono Ebetuga. Now, yes, I'm going to tomorrow. You could see a Kwame A+ said he would die. Yes, and some good maybe Abra or call a police for Nakachi 1 hour and some Akoto. Yet, said he would be a year sunset in Etuga. Yet,
no police invite him, Mamma Boy, and you put to Ken Ofori Atta.
Koya no I didn't see ya. What catch room do Kuno?
You started preliminary issues no I deal with. And you know, Ochina, ever sent to us.
And command was chassis between only police for.
Exactly.
Now, Becca do no actual woman, dear.
Yammy to say. Yamache say. And you know, also police investigation. Well, maybe I say La Paz, more than La Paz.
Ah, more than her.
I have some more than La Paz.
Say, Angel, Angel, that's what I
and the infant say, Ujina Angel building and so. And the one was will be we are the end to police have investigation. No, can say, no, we can so police. Who are maybe a shot had year read and the teachers say your teacher and wow. I'm an investigation on me. They do make them know so I can't not shot had year read no on a young one. On the I didn't see a no Chumuka information on my no and to me why investigation. And I say, oh yeah, that's information no yeah a bit why you know. Maybe I'm only giving them information and meaning.
Yeah, so when himself you were none will be quantumini na ubin kunya tipaye. Kwame A+ as me, one I am here. Near Fremia say, Wuniano was who him do Kuame, so I'm some sunny video and Mamma Musani Mammy. Now, Okasa near, Miminim do Kuame Suale. Now, me come be a press conference. Now, we a student of law. When you make emphatic statements, say, minim, enemy susu, and so say the media.
The video now. Oh, why social media to be and Dr. Kweku Annan at time would have better be out no. I avoid this away. Okay, video now. To be who says, enemy a student of law and design review.
Asa, I'm got some Joe.
Who was also if you are community street and I don't get oh, you're sure no. There.
Kwame A+, me so you student of law, Janse Muruna Woody no. O Casa Windy Manasu say, Navi, yes, so far no, police, Okoyano, or more Puso B, and there was a mutual understanding between the two.
Oh, they were excited. Also, they are also police Biano were interested in finding solution to a high profile case, to say, and they were excited. Say, will be somebody like me, give them on with the information that I also have. But there were preconditions and there were some preliminary issues they also dealing with. And you know, we went and looked at all of those. And then Wednesday, Kwame, me the BM because maybe any Pabonini says, I know who dear, me penesa. As some work on the Mekachi and the Kwame released this statement. The person and Kofu be present at the meeting, and one of the conditions was that Nipa Mijini do Ghana hire Dr. Dampare or the Papa. It may person or meeting movie because on one control. Only meeting him as a man, that was one of the conditions. They have to bring Dr. Dampare. And then I'm going to issue a statement of Nipa. They have to be present at the meeting because I know that they have the information that I have and they have to work on it. I'm going to call some people who are top security people or institutions. I'm going to also invite some ministers. They have to be there at the meeting.
It's war my police in a condition precedent and son Abeka, the work and waka.
It's not even like after they have agreed that they are going to agree on that. Then Wednesday we will go to finish this whole issue.
Dampare free one as you have so they should be there.
But you'll be saying it's a question.
What's it? What catch him said Dampare must be present. And other people being a mibusa say, Matthew when say other people be here now person we are present.
Oh, and those are mechanics of the council and the issue statement because we are just
statement be anywhere chance me busu asem na wo ansam here. Maybe no dey come what the photo crata also said crata be here.
We are white and pay so who be asma be here no for asem free. Me who just since and me interview. Obeda Martin what one why about you.
Me that was said dey na me that was here.
Now with the whole Ghana be from my interview. Angel pay who's a guy?
I'm body needs to say apart from Dampare one way be na abeso mo ba.
Eba
na dia Akoto krata so mo maka na unu dia make busi asem ase ba be hu.
Eba be hu.
Who can so mo police protection?
We are very ungrateful man yo.
Me the froko. Who can so mo police protection? And also can condition no one.
Wednesday in the room in about no worries. Kwame mama can't say me sure we me mouth exclusive on a more serious note. On a more speaking. We in 2022 or 2021 move back me too sure. Police phobia ekukun for 5 ewo fete. Eba news mu say nkopo bi kokun fete oheminim so be kai asem na
you can once I think you mentioned it on our platform. Exactly. I followed the story now. Okay.
Good. Man, I knew I had information on the whole issue, how it unfolded, everything that happened. I had to give the information to police. Made the information to my police, me to police headquarters. They could do my office was alarm down less than 10 minutes. Now deep one and a friend will phone so say, oh, now we'll call police headquarters for myself. And you know, for me to give another information to police, no, you agree that it shouldn't be just like the first one. To be because I didn't know what some now can say that you can't be that. A younger Sakwan, you say, street, you know, you was to be. If the younger son, you're near thing. And you know, for this time around, you know, because of the people involved and the nature of this way, I have to ensure, say, I am safe and well, and then I can do support the police to also do their investigation. It's you know a very sensitive matter, and I'll make sure say my grant to interview is all from here. The America.
Who you busy na? What the sensitive matter? We will call you be more interested, so acquire won't be more interest. Kwame A.
Yeah.
Who you busy?
My busy debut.
Wo yeah. MP no be di me boa.
Oh, of course I'm going to.
Na minim se obedi so and me support se obedi. Ese hunu bo ho a wo di ajai.
But you know ya wan wada.
Jai minchirim jai.
Enu ya wan na mi jai.
Hey, tie mi wi a me amefrew. Ba me sinse hunu bo ho ajai.
Yo, minia wait to me for amate bedase.
Yen share weekend.
Ewo hifa.
Emusame.
Baby adani ye share no. Baby adani ye share no. Ewade mabu mi madu me ye malokyo.
Kwame plus onya correct bye bye.
When I volunteer to give information, they do protect me. So if you want me to give information, you have to show clearly If not, obi opeso kun be a problem. I don't care. You cannot. And I know. You see, me before I say something, see, my brain is switched on. Mr. Kofi Bento, first do share me, or your book, not true, or signing by a signature book, not true. Your brain is switched on. My brain is switched on. You know, so I can't say, hey, this one police go invite you. Which police? The same police we are going to give them. I would take them to court for the court to order them to give me protection before I give them. I know this street. Look, Kwame Plus is not an ordinary person. Kwame Plus, or ye nipa kakrabose. Kwame Plus is a spirit. Kwame Plus is a spirit. And me, if you do, I will come and tell, and I'll tell you more. But you have to protect me with anything less than that. Don't call me. Don't. Hey, that's why I come boy. Go to homicide, ask them. I will bring people that we were trying to solve this problem. What did you do? Did you even help the IGP? Did you help the IGP? You were working against the IGP who was trying to solve. And when he fights with you, you go and find a way to remove him, and you take him to parliament to some committee, and you go and do this. You work. Or not so ye nipa or webusia. So sometimes he will just sit down and watch. On your trouble for he's a human being. He's a human being. Dampare is a human being. Also, family, ne ma, ne yere, ne nuanom. Also, family. You worked against. When I brought information, you worked, and this one go, and the Dampare Kojianwa say, and you work against the guy. All this parliament thing you were doing, I was just watching. Now me rap Kwame Dampare. You can never do good in this country. Come and tell me, GJ for. And let me tell you something. Hey, me a guy man fucking. Hey, GJ me no for. And no friend me catch and say, "Jumfo." I'm going to tell you. Wo wabeji information so we bia your information no nkrofo no bi na mechire your information bi na nkrofo fechire giskedi system we nyina ye wo mu system we all of us are in this system. We know how it works. It is at our fingertips. We know how it operates. Before I'll tell you, I'm going to tell you about Ahmed Suale. I know what I'm talking about. I know who informed, and it was not just me. The information is not just me. There are some people who were there. If police want that information, they know. I gave them information, and they betrayed me. I gave them information. 10 minutes. Onipa na yase. Ono na wako setting krofo up me yeku nipa 5 no. 10 minutes he called me. Hey, Ghana police. And you want me to come and volunteer information again? A system that even Dampare can control. Me, I am ready. Nobody should add, anti-armed robbery commander. Meaning so that's anti-armed robbery commander. Then I'm about office, no. As I'm catcher. But catcher say catcher Jaru say. Almost someone I'm using as informant. Catcher and say. Me there, I'm ready for him. Daddy, I told you. Say, woman and nam kumha. Eddie Bonnet. I'm on Kofu wrong information. If that is, and you got, I told you, tell him. Yeah, me, I'm not afraid. I told you, tell him that if he does, of course, or no, Satan no afraid me. If he tries anything, we will lick him. I told you, me catch your officer. Boys name me name was street fucking. Say Ghana police, me person me mom information. I just a mom police for because my mom information, you didn't protect me. You betrayed. So don't nobody. And now GGA boss frame me. GGA president frame me Jumfo Minuya Jumfo or frame me. Kwame to say send Adena we have to make a public stay. Hey, my yabakun me could save you for bushon phone be suture me Kwame Plus. When you say me asamba, I will be there for you. A bushon phone be suture me come off for you kunipa, and we wanted to find justice for them. Police for no. Be interested and so me, master me say I can yabu and a cancer no. Or say young year 3. Almost family de me ko CID headquarters ase ho. E ko kire me car. Say car we na boys no hu police for no start to bo car ne mu. Saa da no me ba homicide. Ye be din komo bi wo homicide. Obia na wo homicide ho a ye din komo nyame nhira ho. Police CID headquarters homicide. Omo mo ho nyina because of the conversation we had. Because of the conversation we had at homicide. Nyame nhira mu nyina mo bediye. Mo mma bediye. Mebusuafo bediye. Ye the police atade hye wan chese di country chese di boni asama mo kan wo homicide ho no and when they finalize at the end because there was no exchange of fire, there was nothing. Can you boy family me ko gina ase ho ko kire me car bi say we na ko for the two bo mu hwe etu yawa kanyabo me bia maka presby we ko ni mada ofie da me insurasem those days me back we no mabeda ofie what I say me beda ofie me na me ge but we are there meka me papa me nkasa de chi no we obi abewu want me stopping me from doing what I want to do. It no say ene me nua adwumfo be frem no ka kire me say if you have any information you have to go if you love the country hey me dey me love me ho me dey me love me ho. So anybody who is there who can tell me that come and give us information what bodama na say what Jimmy na say then I said and I repeat me I have information on Ahmed Suale, Ghana police. Do you like it? Do you like that information? Give me this time round. I'm not going to give you information when you, so that you go and tell people that hey, Aplus came and said, hey, me who be we are said that police service. Me who be that. I want to give you information. You have to give me protection. Information, protection. If you give me protection, that everybody can see that you are giving me protection, I will tell you that this is the information I have. And the protection is not that Ghana police said Dampare na kasa de man be ameje because he's a good man. And yes, if your police name could say we made mechi. Me wo me boys am no na me tu car me nkwa me tim na me ko ba uba no di mechi nya metu aka wo. Uba na di sie me tie ni nyina aka. Hey, ya turn your motherfucking means phobia. E den am be wo fi we aseti me means I'm not scared of you. Means but I will never give information to Ghana police for free. Now I call my GJ information. We want a GJ for Gofobi Shishim. No more namechiri, no more Charlie information. They say no, see it to me, yes, yes, sir. And say no, my kakrana. Now me mean them all at risk. No more jiska which or bodam. Kwame Agyapong meaning be also the way I had meaning bibia.
Yo wait for winning and somewhere Kwame A+ or the Tuja or the police police share and on set condition your mom which I said meeting IGP so what's the movie so and a ministers be or home they also have to be present and they top security people so I say one account and sana what we doing the Tuja make house GC news so and our no so we now subscribe ya necessary more than the subscribe and like it now share my offer so na when you be now one share. Also with me actually what Afriyie and so we are home I will comment boxing over to in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.